This electricity potato peeling and slicing machine is very efficient for root vegetables processing. It is the integrated type for making potato flakes, potato strips, and potato mashes. This is a customer testing video for making potato strips. The washing barrel is made of the durable silicon carbide. Potatoes will be washed as well as peeled during the rotation process. The peels, impurities, and wastewater will flow out of the washing barrel. We can see the potato washing effect is good. After washing, open the baffle plate and the potatoes will fall into the next storage tank. The inner blade will push the potatoes for cutting quickly. Potatoes will be cut into different shapes by changing with different cutters.